Let's eat from the Food City Kitchen. Value every day.
Nicole Pazdziorko is here. She is the Food City licensed dietitian, therefore our residential expert. Nicole, seafood, we have heard for ages, is good for us. Why?
Absolutely. So beyond just being a lean source of protein, it's low in saturated fats. You've got your fatty fish, your cold water fish like salmon or trout that's going to have a high amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Most seafood offers vitamin A and B vitamins as well. So it's important for brain health as we age, you know, it can help us to stay on top of cognition, and then protective heart health benefits as well.
Plus, it tastes delicious.
Exactly.
What dish do you have over here?
So this is just simple grilled salmon. There are so many ways to enjoy salmon. I recently did homemade salmon patties myself, but I picked up a simple pre-marinated salmon from the Food City seafood department, threw that on the grill, just a few minutes, and it's good to go. I paired it with some seasonal, you know, beets, butternut squash, and a little bit of feta cheese with some spinach for some color.
How much seafood should we be eating?
Yeah, so most people will benefit from about 8 ounces of seafood per week, really prioritizing, again, those fatty fish like with high in omega-3 fatty acids. So that can be achieved by 2 servings, 2 4-ounce servings per week.
All right, I'm sure you hear this a lot. Not from me, but I'm sure you hear it a lot.
Sure.
I don't like seafood.
Yes.
Well, there's stuff that you can eat that still has the nutritional benefits of seafood. Tell me what this is.
So this is actually scallops. So it's not, you know, a fillet of fish necessarily, but for some people who don't really like the fin fish, you have your seafood, clams, oysters that are still going to offer those same benefits. Scallops, these are bay scallops here, so you can do either bay or sea scallops. They're going to be high in an amino acid called taurine, which is, again, helpful for brain health, cognition, and also protective for the immune system as well.
And Nicole, these scallops here, you've either cut them up or you got the ones that are very small.
They're bay scallops.
Right.
So sea scallops, you know, those are going to be the larger ones. You can find those also at the Food City Deli. These you can find fresh or frozen. They're usually available at different times of year too. So they're great, easy cooking. Takes about 3 minutes on each side to prepare.
Hardly any time at all.
Exactly. This was one of the shortest dishes that I have to make during the week. So even during the week, it's super simple, very minimal prep involved.
And as we mentioned a moment ago, there's so many different ways you can do it. Think about different marinades. Think about different things like that you can really take these recipes, personalize them, and make them your own. One of the really cool things about seafood is there are so many different ways you can prepare it.
Yes.
You can do it in the oven, you can do it on the stove, you can do it on the grill, you can do it in the smoker, you can broil it, you can bake it. There's just tons of different ways. And a lot of folks, again, they've got this preconceived notion about seafood, but try it. If you haven't tried it in a while, try it again.
100%, and it's super easy to prepare. A lot of people think of it like with lime and citrus, kind of those bright spring summer flavors, but try pairing it with some roasted root vegetables. I did this with a little bit of sage and butter on the stovetop, and it has a really kind of buttery, tender texture and flavor.
Plus, we are into the months ending with R, so therefore, even if you're kind of a skeptical seafood lover, this time is okay. Nicole, we got to run. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Find out more about these recipes and others at foodcity.com, foodcity.com.
Now, let's eat from the Food City Kitchen. Value every day.